Actually, first shot kanina nila Maki na nakadalawa.
Buti na lang for the side of the Manila MSW Mavericks, napigilan siya nito ni John Albert Refulli.
For the tail end of the season.
Tapos yung Taco Tuesdays and yet another King of the Hill, siya yung naging player of the game. Pwedeng batakin niya ng konti dito for the 6. There you go.
Yung mga tropa nila Ryan Mark Hidalgo, nag-uumpisa na ulit mag-ingay nag-uumpisa na mag-ingay dito.
Pinapasayo pa talaga ang puti.
That is something Manila did not expect. The sharking coming from Negros Occidental.
Oo.
Not from the players, pero sa mga supporters ng Negros Occidental. First rack won by Paul Kenneth Arpilleda.